A Darlington emitter follower circuit is sometimes used in the output stage of a TTL gate in order to A. Increase its IQL, B. Reduce its I0H, C. Increase its speed of operation, D. Reduce power dissipation. The correct answer is increase its speed of operation. The drift velocity of electrons and holes is proportional to electric field strength. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. In an N-channel MOSFET, the substrate is connected A. to negative terminal of battery, B. to positive terminal of battery, C. to either positive or negative terminal of battery, D. none of the above. The correct answer is to negative terminal of battery. Piezoelectric materials serves as a source of A. microwaves, B. ultrasonic waves, C. musical waves, D. resonant waves. The correct answer is ultrasonic waves. Which of the following is not a semiconductor? A. silicon, B. calcium arsenide, C. germanium, D. zinc sulfide. The correct answer is calcium arsenide. At absolute temperature, the forbidden energy gap in germanium is higher than that in silicon. B. The forbidden energy gap in germanium and silicon are equal. C. The forbidden energy gap in silicon is higher than that in germanium. D. None of the above. The correct answer is the forbidden energy gap in silicon is higher than that in germanium. If E is electric field intensity, the current density due to field emission is proportional to A. E, B. E2, C. E2.5, D. E32. The correct answer is E2. When a high voltage reference is required, it is advantageous to use 2 or more Zener diodes in series to allow A. higher voltage, B. higher dissipation, C. lower temperature coefficient, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Pentavalent impurity creates N-type semiconductor. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is true. When a BJT is operated under saturated condition, A. both junctions are forward biased, B. both junctions are reverse biased, C. CB junction is forward biased and EB junction is reverse biased, D. EB junction is forward biased and CB junction is reverse biased. The correct answer is both junctions are forward biased. Indium, aluminium, arsenic are all P-type impurities. A. true, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is false. As the temperature of an intrinsic semiconductor material is increased, A. additional holes are created in the conduction band, B. protons get excited, C. protons acquire charge, D. energy of the atom is increased. The correct answer is energy of the atom is increased. Hole coefficient Kh and charge density R are related as A. Kh, B. Khr, C. Kh, D. Khr 1.2. The correct answer is Kh. When a diode is forward biased, the diode current is A. high, B. low, C. 0, D. low or 0. The correct answer is high. At room temperature, the current in the intrinsic semiconductor is due to A. holes, B. electrons, C. ions, D. holes and electrons. The correct answer is holes and electrons. Which of these is also called hot carrier diode? A. pin diode, B. lead, C. photodiode, D. Schottky diode. The correct answer is Schottky diode. A DC power supply has an open circuit voltage of 100 V. When the full load current is drawn, the output drops to 80 V. The percentage voltage regulation is A 97.25, B 75, C 50, D 25. The correct answer is 25. The DC output voltage from a power supply A increases with higher values of filter capacitance and decreases with more load current. B decreases with higher values of filter capacitance and increases with more load current. C decreases with higher values of filter capacitance as well as with more load current. D increases with higher values of filter capacitance as well as with more load current. The correct answer is increases with higher values of filter capacitance and decreases with more load current. Avalanche breakdown is primarily dependent on the phenomenon of A. Doping, B. Collision, C. Recombination, D. Ionization. The correct answer is collision. In a JFET, the drain current is maximum when A. VGS VDS, B. VGS pinch off voltage, C. VGS 0, D. VGS is negative. The correct answer is VGS 0. The holes diffuse from P region to the N region in a P-N junction diode because A. There is greater concentration of holes in the P region as compared to N region. B. There is greater concentration of holes in the N region as compared to P region. C. The free electrons in the N region attract them. D. Potential difference facilitates such transfer. The correct answer is there is greater concentration of holes in the P region as compared to N region. Surface leakage current is a part of A. Reverse current, B. Forward current, C. Reverse breakdown, D. Forward breakdown. The correct answer is reverse current. The forbidden energy gap in semiconductors. A is always 0. B lies just below the valence band. C lies between the valence band and the conduction band. D lies just above the conduction band. The correct answer is lies between the valence band and the conduction band. In commercial electron tubes, the current produced by the cathode at 1000 K is about A 0.01 A per cm2 of cathode surface, B 0.1 A per cm2 of cathode surface, C 1 A per cm2 of cathode surface, D 5 A per cm2 of cathode surface. The correct answer is 0.1 A per cm2 of cathode surface. In a conductor, the conduction and valence bands overlap. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In which of the following device electrons will be the majority carriers? A. P-type semiconductor, B. N-type semiconductor, C. N-P-N transistor, D. P-N-P transistor. The correct answer is PNP transistor. An N-channel JFET has IDS whose value is A. Maximum for VGS 0 and minimum for VGS negative and large, B. Minimum for VGS 0 and maximum for VGS negative and large, C. Maximum for VGS 0 and minimum for VGS positive and large, D. Minimum for VGS 0 and maximum for VGS positive and large. The correct answer is maximum for VGS 0 and minimum for VGS negative and large. How is an N-channel junction field effect transistor operated as an amplifier? A. With a forward bias gate source junction, B. With a reverse bias gate source junction, C. With an open gate source junction, D. With a shorted gate source junction. The correct answer is with a reverse bias gate source junction. The Ebers-Moll equation for IE in CB configuration is given by A. IE A N I C I E C 0, BIEAIICIC0. CIEANICIC0 EQVEBKT1. DIEAIICIE0 EQVEBKT1. The correct answer is IEAIICIE0 EQVEBKT1. Ferrites are A. Hard materials. B. Brittle materials. C. Not easily machinable. D. Materials with all above properties. The correct answer is materials with all above properties. The merging of a hole and an electron is called A. Recombination. B. Covalent bonding. C. Thermal union. D. None of the above. The correct answer is recombination. Which of the following semiconductor has the highest melting point? A. Germanium. B. Silicon. C. Gallium arsenide. D. Lead sulfide. The correct answer is lead sulfide. The equivalent circuit of an ideal diode is A. Charging condenser. B. A discharging condenser. C. A switch. D. A resistor. The correct answer is a switch. What is meant by continuous collector current in BJT? A. Maximum collector current. B. Current at quiescent condition. C. Leakage current. D. Junction capacitance charging and discharging current. The correct answer is maximum collector current. The electric breakdown strength is affected by A. Shape of the waveform of applied voltage. B. Steepness of the wavefront of the applied voltage. C. Composition of the material. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Gel is A polymer having side groups distributed randomly along a Winley polymer chain. B. A polymer having secondary chains branching from the main molecular chain. C. A solid framework of colloidal particles linked together and containing a fluid. D. A polymer in which the repeating unit of each molecule has vinyl group. The correct answer is a solid framework of colloidal particles linked together and containing a fluid. When AP injection is unbiased, the junction current at equilibrium is A0 as no charges cross the junction. B0 as equal number of carriers cross the barrier. C. Mainly due to diffusion of majority carriers. D. Mainly due to diffusion of minority carriers. The correct answer is 0 as equal number of carriers cross the barrier. Dielectric strength of which of the following material has the highest dielectric strength? A. Porcelain. B. Soft rubber. C. Glass. D. Joule effect. The correct answer is Joule effect. In common base configuration, the input characteristics of bipolar junction transistor are drawn between A. VEB and IE. B. VCB and IC. C. IC and VCE. D. IE and VCE. The correct answer is VEB and IE. Fermi level is the maximum energy that an electron can possess at 0 K. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The voltage across the secondary of the transformer in a half-wave rectifier without any filter circuit is 25 volts. The maximum voltage on the reverse biased diode will be A. 100 V. B. 50 V. C. 25 V. D. 12.5 V. The correct answer is 25 V. The residual resistivity of a binary alloy at 0 K is A. The sum of the residual resistivities of the component metals. B. The difference of the residual resistivities of the component metals. C. The product of the residual resistivities of the component metals. D. Depend on the concentration of the minor component in the alloy. The correct answer is depend on the concentration of the minor component in the alloy. Which of the following insulating material is restricted to temperatures below 100 C? A. Micanite. B. Asbestos. C. Teflon. D. Polythene. The correct answer is polythene. VE feedback in an amplifier. A. Reduces gain. B. Increase frequency and phase distortion. C. Reduce bandwidth. D. Increase noise. The correct answer is reduces gain.